Hi, Ali from Talent for Performance here. Let me ask you, what's the one leadership skill that truly separates thriving businesses from those that struggle? It's not strategy, it's not vision, it's not even technical expertise. It's the ability to have clear, confident and constructive conversations, especially when it's uncomfortable. Because when leaders avoid accountability, feedback or tough decisions, performance dips, engagement plummets, and top talent walks out the door. But here's the good news. Difficult conversations don't have to derail your team. They can drive performance. In our upcoming workshop, Mastering Difficult Leadership Conversations, we'll show you how to turn conflict into progress using neuroscience and our unique paradox thinking approach. You'll leave with practical tools to lead with clarity, confidence and curiosity, no matter how tough the conversation. Spaces are limited. Register now and take your leadership to the next level.